We're working down at Mermaid Quay, one of the biggest schemes we've got going in terms of sewer rehabilitation, and this is because we've got a huge problem down there with blockages. Fat, particularly from all the restaurants down around the Bay area. The size of the fatberg which has developed down in Mermaid Quay is something to behold. We've taken out over 800 tonnes of sewerage down there. 500 tonnes of that we think is fat alone, and that has caused us to have to clean the sewer on a regular basis. All that cleaning of the brick egg sewer that's down there has now caused part of it to collapse, and we're having to renew the sewer, put in new materials which are much more resistant to high pressure washing, so that we can provide the service to those businesses.
It's probably fair to say that we couldn't have a more challenging scheme in a more challenging area. We're working on an old Victorian sewer, and the work generates noise and some odour as well. And this is right in the heart of a very busy, popular area of Cardiff. One of the key things that we've done is to employ a community liaison officer, and they basically are going around proactively visiting the businesses, engaging with the local residents so that they're fully aware of what is happening at any given time. We've also got a unit here in Mermaid Quay, so as a company we've got a visible presence here, so if people have got any questions about the work then they can just pop in and we'll answer those questions for them.
Since Welsh Water contacted me about the work, my experience has been mostly positive. It's been great having somebody on site and popping in daily to come and check that we're not being affected too badly. I understand that the build-up of the fat and the grease and things that shouldn't be flushed down the toilets has caused this issue, and it's really important that it gets fixed now just so we don't have any more issues.
I think this is a good example of where businesses don't always realise the impact that they can have by inappropriately flushing away fat, soils and grease. We're working very closely now with all the businesses in Mermaid Quay to educate them and to make sure that they're installing the right level of fat, soils and grease separation so that we can prevent this from happening in the future.